Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Boss Vegeta 1 here. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Jordan and Nike GR each year. So if you like shoes you find to the right channel, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Get you a little bit of box action. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG University Blue, Black, and White, aka the Jordan 1 Retro UNC toe. Got these on the shock drop. Hit on quite a few, so I said let me bring these out so you guys can check them out with me. Get your little box action. You get the all blue Nike box, match the UNC blue. Start by getting you guys the UNC toe, as you can see it there. Materials on this shoe seem pretty premium. Not a bad shoe in any way. See the breakup, how it goes with the UNC. All UNC bottom. Get the light on here so you guys can check it out closer. My cat even likes this shit. So you get the black, a mud guard around the UNC blue toe box, white regular leather backdrop with the black Nike swoosh, black Jordan Wings logo. Go around to the back of the shoe, get a black upper with the UNC blue with a little bit of white and black breakup, back to the UNC blue, back to the white. Same thing on this side of the shoe. Back to that blue UNC bottom. No extra laces. You guys could look at the interior of the shoe. Give you guys a look at the shoe, what it's going to look like on your feet. What do you guys think about this one? Is it a must cop? Is it a pass? It's a pretty good shoe. You know, like I said, what you guys think of it. For you be buying this shoe, are you going to pass on this one? Did you hit on the shock drop, or are you going to be waiting for the 22nd? Don't know why they pushed this one back. Again, the Jordan 1 Retro UNC toe. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. And above all, everyone stay safe and have a nice day.